Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the cause of ghost touch before making major changes. Power off your Realme C25y and wait for 10 seconds before restarting. Remove any screen protector and case that press on the display. Clean the screen and edges with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Boot into safe mode to check for third-party app interference and note behavior. If ghost touch stops, uninstall recent apps one by one to identify the culprit. Also check for moisture under the screen using visual inspection and gentle drying. Keep your software current to avoid firmware touch bugs and driver conflicts. Open settings and check for system updates. Install the latest Realme UI version available. If updates do not help, boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Back up all data, photos, and accounts to Google Drive before any reset. If ghost touch persists after wiping cache, perform a factory reset and monitor behavior for at least 24 hours. Restore apps gradually to confirm the issue is resolved by software changes. If software steps fail, the problem is likely hardware-related and needs inspection. Power down the phone and check for visible damage, gaps, or moisture around the display edges. If comfortable, open the back to inspect the display flex cable for loosening or corrosion and reseat the connector carefully. Temporary diagnostics include gently pressing around edges to see if ghost touch stops under pressure. For permanent repair, replace the digitizer or full display assembly through an authorized Realme service center. Expect typical part costs of 0 to 0 and ask about warranty before repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.